Hello dear friends. Today we are going to learn second unit of prescribed syllabus English for Communication for BSc Part 3rd. The title of the second unit is Avoiding Errors in Written English. We generally do errors while writing in English, and these are common errors. We can avoid these errors to develop our skill of writing effectively. As you know, listening, speaking, reading and writing are the basic communication skills. If you listen properly, speak properly, read and write properly, definitely your personality will be enriched. English is taught in India as a third language. Marathi is our native language, mother tongue, and that's why it's the first language. Hindi is our national language, and that's why it's second language. And third language, which is international language and widely accepted, and that is English. So in India, English is taught as a third language at school and college levels. As it is not the mother tongue, learners make common mistakes while speaking or writing in English, because this is not our mother tongue. We usually speak in Marathi. If we speak in Hindi, we do common errors while speaking. If we speak in English, we always do some common errors, or write in English, we always do common errors while writing or speaking in English. It may be due to the influence of the mother tongue or due to some misconceptions about grammar of English or lack of practice in using English. There is a sound impact of Marathi on our mind. So we generally think by speaking in English like Marathi. While Marathi speaking, we use subject, then object, then verb. The sequence of sentence in Marathi language is like this: subject, then object, and then verb. But while speaking or writing in English, the sequence changes, and that is subject comes first, then verb comes, and then object comes. So these are the patterns of writing and speaking in English and Marathi. So their choice of words is sometimes wrong, and they frequently make mistakes in the use of articles